Welcome to the course on Python programming for kids age 11 to 13, where children will learn Python programming concepts in just 12 sessions. My name is Sunil Nair, and I will be mentoring children through this exciting course. I've been teaching and designing coding courses for kids for the last 5 years through my company Penrose Learning, for which I am the co-founder. And during this journey, I published the book PyStart in 2019. This course is designed to cater to the learning needs of children aged 11 to 13. After completion of this course, children will have an excellent foundation in basic programming concepts and have the ability to build applications independently. With skills gained in this course, children can easily progress to learning either gaming or robotics. With this coding program, we also address skills in math, problem solving, reading and comprehension, language and writing. Spread across 14 chapters, every video lesson is made crisp and exciting with a duration of 10 to 20 minutes. To gain maximum benefit from every lesson, each one is complemented with textual description, code samples, and assignments. Once you complete the course, you get access to all the assignment solutions through an interactive interface. The ideal student for this course is a child aged 11 to 13 with basic keyboard typing skills. But if you're a parent, teacher, or guardian, you can also use this course to self-learn and teach children on how to code. Feel free to look through the course description and the video previews. I look forward to seeing you inside.